Happening right now, free meningitis B vaccinations are being offered to thousands of students at San Diego State. Now, the CDC declared an official outbreak at the campus after 3 cases diagnosed of students within just the past 3 months. 10 News anchor Jim Patton is joining us live from SDSU. So, Jim, the vaccination's going on right now, huh?
Yeah, they certainly are. We're here at Viejas Arena where they're happening, and let me show you where the students are being directed. You can see there was a group of students down there. We don't know whether or not they're planning to get a vaccination.
I think some people are trying to, in a way, make it not a joke, but just kind of trying to look at the bright side and just not trying to be too worried about it.
My dad asked me to. He texted me about it this morning.
Yeah, if some students aren't too concerned, their parents certainly sending them emails telling them to get vaccinated, and the county health officials doing the same. County Health is working along with Kaiser and Walgreens, setting up this morning inside Viejas Arena. They're calling on students 23 years of age or younger to be vaccinated. Meningitis B is a bacterial infection which can cause swelling of the membrane surrounding the brain and spinal cord. It is passed along through saliva, often by kissing, the sharing of drinks or lipstick. Symptoms include fever, nausea, a stiff neck, and the infection can be very dangerous. 10 to 15% of cases prove fatal, and that can happen within 2 to 3 days of being infected. The university has diagnosed 3 cases in the past 3 months, which qualifies as an outbreak. All 3 of those patients, though, have been treated with antibiotics and they have been released. Students seeking vaccinations will have until today at 4 p.m. and then we'll have another session taking place from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Monday, and those vaccinations are free. It's interesting to note about 1 in 10 of us is actually a carrier of the meningitis B bacteria, but will never show symptoms. Though we do remain contagious, we can pass it along, and the people that catch it can end up showing symptoms. To learn more, we have some important links on our website at 10news.com. Reporting live at San Diego State University, Jim Patton, 10 News.
Wow, that is interesting. All right, thank you, Jim.